Hi everybody, we're going to make a strawberry goo pie, and I saw it on Facebook with Brenda Gantt, and I will put the directions down in the description box below. I had just purchased some strawberries yesterday, and these strawberries are from product of California. So we're using strawberries from California. I will wash these and slice them up nicely. Don't they look beautiful? And you need a small strawberry jello. Sorry, train of thought. You can use regular or sugar-free. I'm using sugar-free. And a small sugar-free vanilla pudding. You need 1.5 cups of water, and you're gonna boil that on the stove. We're gonna boil this, then we're gonna combine these two together. Okay, then we're gonna layer. We need a pie shell. Got it. The Dollar Tree, $1.25. I gave Ray a choice. Now you can use a graham cracker, you can use a frozen, or you can use a fresh pie shell. He chose this one. You're gonna layer the strawberries on the bottom, and then once all this gets boiled up, once it's gotta get completely cool, because you don't wanna mix hot goop with your strawberries, because it will cook kind of the strawberries. You don't want that. So I'll bring you over to the stove, and I'm gonna get the water boiling, and you'll see the next phase. Okay, you see right here, I've got a whisk, and this gray right here will scrape around the bowl. And the water's boiling. We're gonna put the pudding in. And that's a small vanilla pudding, just like this. We didn't open it good here. Small vanilla pudding. We'll whisk it in a little bit. Want to get it to a nice bowl. Want to mix this all in. Then you want to put your jello in. Just like that. Oh, what a pretty color. She's boiling good. Once we get it whisked in really well, just like this, we're gonna set it aside. We're gonna let it cool off, and then I'm gonna show you the next stage. I'm gonna slice up the strawberries. I've already washed them. Oh yeah, this is getting thick already in here. Nice. Let me turn down the stove a little. Oh yeah. Isn't that a real pretty color? Very, very nice. Just get up good. Just like this. Oh yeah. And then once this is cooling, I'm gonna walk out to the greenhouse, get a little greenhouse work done if it's still not ready by the time I come back. So I don't go too far, because you don't want to miss this yummy dessert. This would make a great dessert for Mother's Day or for any day. Okay, everybody, Ray's going to try this wonderful looking pie. It's called strawberry goo, G-O-O, goo, and it's with a Grammie's twist. It's new to me, and it came out fantastic. Okay, Mr. R, could you please give us a taste and say hello?
Hello. Okay, here we go.
We are getting our furniture out. Been a busy day today.
Okay, it's got a graham cracker crust, whipped cream, strawberries. What else?
That's it. Jello pudding, strawberry
Yeah,
pudding.
I can taste that.
And am I correct to say you chose a graham cracker crust?
Yep.
So it's a very tiny piece. And
Good.
it's good.
Yep.
Would you like me to make it again?
Yep.
You realize you only can have little pieces.
Like that, I know.
Like that. Moderate servings. No honking big piece.
I can't eat half the pie.
No, you can't eat half the pie. Is there anything else you'd like to tell everybody?
Nope, it's very good. Like and subscribe. God bless.
And you never know what's going to be on our videos.
That's it.
2
Bye.
thumbs up. Bye now.